Okay, I'm back. I wasn't happy with this bottle bottom pour that I did earlier, so I decided to try and fix it. So I just put a bottle bottom right in the middle, and I'm going to try and pour some different colors over top. I don't know how this is going to be, but hey, it's worth a try, and then I'll just let this run off. Probably a waste of paint, but I feel like I have to salvage it. Unfortunately, I'm out of dark green, so I'm just going to use some colors that I have made up. I have some green. I'm going to add some gold. I think before what I did, I too many layers. I need bigger layers, more paint so that it's a bigger spread. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. This is probably going to move again, but go put some this green. Should move quite a bit now that's sitting on top of all this other paint. I hope I didn't wait too long. I might end up leaving some of this green around it. This is a little higher bottle than the other bottle, so I don't know. think that's as good as it's going to get. Not a fan of that middle, but I like how the gold blended in nicely. Maybe I can do something with this. There, I think I'm just going to leave it. And that's how it's going to be. All right, that's how I fixed it. I like it better than the one before. Okay. I can hold it up a little closer. It does look pretty with the gold in it. Okay, bye-bye. Please subscribe and like. Hit the bell. Share. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello. So here's a look at the dried painting. This is on a canvas. Dried very good. Canvas paintings dry quick. Quicker than records. Got this dried nice and smooth. Gold is nice. There you go. Good results. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back soon. Bye-bye.